So hey guys, the Galaxy S24 Plus will be the best Plus model Samsung made, and the Geekbench result for the S24 Plus Exynos 2400 is going to blow your mind. This is because in the Geekbench scores, the S24 Plus Exynos outperformed the S24 Ultra Snapdragon. But before that, here is a good news for the European market. According to the latest leak, the S24 Ultra is shipping with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in Europe. If you remember correctly, the S22 Ultra in Europe came with the Exynos chip, and then in 2023, Samsung decided to completely switch to Snapdragon chip. Now Samsung is bringing out the Exynos again, but this time they are bringing out the Snapdragon chip in Europe. Now back on the S24 Plus, the phone has recently been put to the test by Geekbench and the results were surprisingly good. The S24 Plus was able to pass the Geekbench test by a huge margin over the S24 Ultra. You can see that the S24 Ultra has a single core rating of 2059 and a multi-core rating of 4506, while the S24 Plus has a single core of 2067 and a multi-core of 6520. If you're wondering why there is such a big difference between the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, here is the answer. I just want to let you know that this is the early benchmark test and there are many other tests that will take place, and we will get the final score when the S24 series hit the market. Moving on, few days back we got to know that the Galaxy S24 will have a 1.5mm bezel compared to the iPhone 15 Pro's 1.7mm, making it Samsung's most minimal flagship ever. And now confirming that, Iceuniverse shared a photo showing the protection panels of the S24 and S24 Plus, and looking at the image, it's clear that we have the winner of the bezel war. Plus, the camera ring size of the S24 Plus is getting a little bigger than the S23 Plus. In order to meet the demand for the new Apple iPhone 15, the Galaxy S24 is likely to be released earlier than expected. Yes, Galaxy S24, Samsung's successor to the Galaxy S series, is expected to be released in January 2024. So what do you think about this Galaxy S24 Plus? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.